If I was starting out right now, I would use Beehiiv. Here's the reason why.
The ultimate newsletter platform for beginners and seasoned pros alike. Let's dive right into why Beehiiv stands out and why it's the perfect choice for you in 2024. First off, let's take a tour of Beehiiv's user-friendly dashboard. Here you'll find 5 main sections: Write, Grow, Monetize, Audience, and Analyze. Write. This is where the magic happens. Craft engaging newsletters effortlessly with Beehiiv's intuitive writing interface. Grow. Expand your subscriber base with Beehiiv's powerful growth tools. From lead magnets to social media integrations, Beehiiv has got you covered. Monetize. Unlock new revenue streams by monetizing your newsletters with ads. Beehiiv offers seamless ad integration to help you maximize your earnings. Analyze. Track your newsletter's performance with Beehiiv's comprehensive analytics. Monitor key metrics and gain valuable insights to optimize your campaigns. Now let's talk about getting started with Beehiiv. If you already have subscribers, simply import them into Beehiiv's platform to kickstart your newsletter. Just head to the subscribers section, click on Import Subscribers, and follow the prompts. If you're starting from scratch, no worries. You can begin by clicking on Start Writing and start building your subscriber base from the ground up. Beehiiv offers different plans to suit your needs and budget. From the free plan, which is perfect for beginners, to premium plans with advanced features, Beehiiv has something for everyone. And yes, you can sign up for the free plan using the link in the description below. In conclusion, Beehiiv is the ultimate newsletter platform for beginners and seasoned marketers alike. With its user-friendly interface, powerful features, and flexible pricing plans, Beehiiv has everything you need to succeed in the world of email marketing. So sign up for Beehiiv today by clicking the link in the description.